Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 25 of my daily savings in April. So I don't bring $25 a day. I bring $10 a day. Oh my gosh, could you imagine if I brought $25 a day? I probably would get through all my minis. Okay, so I can't believe it's the 25th, first of all. This is going to be my last month of doing it daily. I may or may not bring it back in the future, but I still will be doing minis in this way with quarters. I'm just going to incorporate it into a couple of my videos that I already do. So I just need to reduce my filming a smidge because I have some new products coming out that I'm really excited about. Fingers crossed that they're a hit, and I need to make a bunch. So I am going to start with getting my prop coins out. So I have $10 in prop coins, and the dashboard and all the prop coins come from Homebody Mama Savings, and I think it's so cute. Matches my dice tower, which I will have linked because I found the Etsy shop that I got it from. Nope, the money goes in the bank. Money in the bank. Okay, I was gonna sing, but then I was like, nope. Sure, don't do that. All right, so we are going to start on number 1, this adorable paperclip I got from Jeanette at Jeanette's Journey, and if I set it here, you can see it. Perfect. Oh, and I did change up my outfit, so I know I like to try to have the same setup all the time, but my other shirt's in the wash, and I need to bulk film, so you're going to see this probably for the rest of the time. I'll just make it this shirt for the rest of the month. For the whole 6 more days or 5 more days. Let's do the lavender. Okay, so we have our prop coins. We're starting on number 1. I think you can see everything. All right, I rolled a 2, so 2 for number 1. My goodness, skipping. 2 for number 2. So I hope you guys are doing well. 1 for 3. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I'm just getting caught up on all the things, work, orders, 3, 1, 2, 3, and then a little house cleaning, 1, 2, and 3 for number 1. So yeah, busy weekend, but fun stuff. Might barbecue. Oh my goodness, that was a lot of spinning. All right, 3 for number 2. 2 for number 3. 1, 2, and 3. We have 2 left. And 1 is going to 5, and 1 is going to 6, and we will start again at number 1. Okay, so let's do this. We don't need you anymore. I think that works. Okay, so we have 1, 225. 225 for number 1, and number 1 is, I can never remember what's in here. Oh, the pandas from Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 1, 2, 25. So we can do a bunch. And this one I am using my Crayola Clicks. Yeah, Crayola Clicks. I'm getting more used to them. I still think they're a little chunky to hold, and this is like an obnoxious amount of a click. But who am I? Who am I to judge? But they are kind of smooth when you color, so I'm going to do 2 columns and that one, and I'll be right back. Okay, awesome. We made really good progress on that one today. And I think I must think that they're really big because I really like the Crayola Clicks, or the click art, sorry. And they're so cute, and it's just such a cute little like beep beep beep. I love the little click. So I'll link both, and I'll, of course, like my OG, the Sharpie clicky clicky, as Jeanette would say. All right, so let's do number 2. All right, we have 50 cents, $1. So we have $1.75 going into number 2. And number 2 is, oh, this super cute one from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. Excuse me, the Enchanted Owl's Nest. And I think I'll use my Sharpie for this one. So we have $1.75. Oh, okay, so we can finish this one and do one whole column here. I'll be right back. Okay, and just to show the difference, so this is Sharpie and this is Crayola Click Art with the greens. So a little more vibrant color with the Sharpie. All right, impromptu comparison video. All right, so that goes into number 2. I still have my window open and there's like a lot of noise outside. Ooh, $2 going into number 3, even though it had 3. So number 3 is, oh, we needed 70 or 25 cents. We needed 25 cents, yay. I had to do that so my brain would know what was happening. All right, we're gonna finish it off with an orange. And this one comes from Becca Budget 777, and it's her little thank you for an order, cute little strawberry. So we saved $4 and we have $1.75 we get to put into a new one, and I did fill this up. So let's just go to the back. And I have this one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. Look, I decided to go into making things 50 cents instead of everything a quarter. So these two 50 cents would be $1. So let's do that. And we'll do green again. And then we have 3 quarters, so we can do 3 more circles. So I'll be right back. Okay, so we had $1 and then 75. Okay, perfect. So this will go into number 3, and then number 4 we have $1, $2.25, and number 4 is from Sassy Ginger Budgets, and we just needed the 75, so I'll take away 75 cents. Fill in the last 3 here. And this saved us $5. Yay! All right, let's get a new one. Let's go to the back. Oh, we have this cute one from Amy by Nature. You'll fall for me. I would. Look at how cute that little face is. Okay, so we have $1.50. So 1, 2, 3, and 4 is $1, and then 25 and 50. So cute. All right, then number 5 got 50 cents. And number 5 is another one from the Enchanted Owl's Nest. So we have 2 more circles. This one just needs $1 to finish. I'm owl about that cash. I don't know why that's so hard for me to say, but it is. And then last but not least, we have number 6. We have $1.25 for number 6, and number 6 is one of mine. I still didn't check if that is on my Etsy. So we have $1.25. So 25, 50, 75, $1.25. Cute. All right, so now we can take our prop coins and put them away. And then let's see what we need. We finished 2 and we need $9. Let's get our money out. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Some finishes on day 25. That's pretty awesome. So then I go back here and I just shove all of my money in the same spot, and then all of my completed challenges back here, and then at the end of the month, the last day of April, I will After I finish playing, I will count all of this and we will see what we have, and then I'll do a little randomizer with that money for some fun little things I like to save for. And I'm not going to put the paperclip because I'm actually going to film right after this, and I will know to start at number 1. Okay, so that is all I have. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and until next time, take care. Bye.